Okey. Magsisimula na agad tayo. Good day to ano ulit? Ay wala paano yung introduction dun putiks na okey. Good day to us. We will going to discuss about the disaster response management system for today. And as of the minute of defense that was given to us, our our system will focus on about disaster alerts, DIS, post-disaster report, resource management, and information dissemination. And from information dissemination, we will see that the contacts and Pag-asa forecasts and together with its links. So this time you will going to witness these features upon watching this video. Okay. Sabihin ko muna na ano, let's ask for sige log-in mo na. Yung paano? Anong barangay official? Ay okey. And like is from the ano ulit? Admin lang ba yun, administrator? Okey. Okay. After the admin, we will also discuss about the UI of the Barangay Cala West. And ay ano ulit? Wait lang, ulit. Uh, After the admin, we will going to discuss about the UI or user interface of the Cala West or simply Barangay Cala West. And as you can see in here, the UI of the Barangay Cala West is not different from the admin. It's just that in here, uh, the officials are the one that will going to manage this. And as you can see, the user level IDs and the and managing the users, it was not included in here. Uh, but it still putiks na yun nawala na ako. Ulitin mo
Awan
pa
one
ba
hour
yun?
boy.
Okay,
Ulit,
sige.
1 hour.
Hindi, wait lang sige. 5 minutes lang yun, 'di ba? As you
May
can
tag
okey
tag
sige,
five
sige
tag 5
mag-start tayo.
minutes ba?
Oo, ika-cut naman 'to ni Nico.
Tag 5 la 10 minutes din naramid
Ha?
ko. Ang script ko 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Wait lang, nawala yung ano. Hello, guys. Or ako lang ba yung nawala? Nawala naman yung ano, I mean, yung share screen.
Naka-reload pa yun eh. Madi makita ka.
Ang kuha niya Ate Boy sa bali ato eh.
Meron naman sa akin, kay Vilmar lang wala.
Nya aji Nico.
Ni dashboard.
Wait lang. Ayun, meron na. Okay, sige. Nag-Tagalog ka? Ay, di mo sinabi, ba't sinabi mo sana nag-Tagalog din ako? Sige, sige. Tignan ko kung anong magagawa ko. Okay. As you can see in this user interface, it doesn't differ from the admin. But in here, you can see that the user level IDs or something like that is not included in this UI. Focus na yan. Okay na ata yun? Okay, sige. Hindi ulit-ulit. Scroll mo mamaya dun, ah. Ah, okay, okay, sige. Okay, sige, balik tayo dun. Dun tayo sa dashboard muna, pre. Oh, yan. Na-delay sa'kin, eh. As you can see in this part, it doesn't differ from the admin. It's just that, in here, yung user is hindi sila puwedeng mag-delete, and sa admin lang siya puwede. And you can also see that the user level IDs and user management doesn't included in this part, but you in this part there is a different dashboard, and it all but overall it also same with the admin. Eh, nawala na ako. Hindi yan. Mamili na lang dun si Nico, bahala na yan. Okey na yan. Oo, oo, dun tayo sa user. Nico, on cam, on cam.
May parehas ba yung kwan user sa kwan? Sa iba? O iba-iba rin? Sabihin ko lang sa dashboard ikwan. Yung dashboard is
Residents.
so show ng important info like alert available resources and evacuations when at that time.
'Di ba ano, yung kay Nico is yun yung residents ano, UI ng mga residents, tama? Hmm, okey. Dito din ay.
On the dashboard, you can see alerts, evacuation status, available resources, and how many people are in your purok. Ay,
Inyo puro kaya ayos yan, bagong lengguwahe yan,
evacuation
Oo,
map,
Nico
self-defined
with
areas,
outro ata
evacuation
tandaan,
failed directions. Ito, tigil. Alam mo na, parehas rin naman yan. Sinabi mo rin naman nun. Alam ko,
Oo.
wait lang.
Explain, yan, sige, okey lang yan. Sabihin na lang ni Nico.
1 hour daw ito yan.
1, sige.
Maya.
With outro ata Nico,
Tignan
wait
ko
lang,
lang
hindi
yung kwan.
on cam Nico.
Na makikita ka lang nga rin, diba? Nung sa Teramida. available resources,
Kung kailang
evacuation
try ko nga
status.
ikuhatin niyo.
Ayun o, tama na pare sakto may Bilmar na may purok first ko na di sakto yung purok.
O, isong harod.
Resources, available resources, unavailable resources. Organizational structure. Mapa. Ano ito?
Ikaw ano man di kamo kita man nagkatoy.
Sa nag-own kami ya. Boom, naglibag. Diba? Yung.
Sabi,
Panis.
yan. Wait lang.
Masikyo.
Kaso ka awan ite aji kon niko.
Panis.
Ikaw mo di naka-share screen to yun nito.
Sino yung Bilmar? Hairstyle. Jadi man may kuha kaniya. Mapa-zoom. Zoom na.
Gagi paano to
We touch.
paano natin ilalagay dito si Nico? I-grid view ko na lang ba? Hindi ko yung okay. Sinabi niyo sana kanina sa akin na gano'n.
Ulit.
Okay. Hindi. Nagpapakita kasi yung cam dun sa baba ko. Nico naka-landscape.
Ayan.
Ay, naka-portrait. Naka-portrait Nico. Yan.
Landscape. Lagi notification. Sasabihin ko ba? Wait lang. Saan ba nakikita yung notification? Magkaiba ba siya man sa dashboard? Yung chat GPT ko.
Puritana.
Ha?
So, as you can see here po sa residence tab,
Dapat ito outro kasi gagawin ito ng Bilmar.
Ito po yung nakuha namin sa Calawes. Sila raw po yung evacuees no?
Intro tayo pa lang ngayon, Bilmar. Ang pa-intro tayo.
Ha?
And then,
Talo tayo.
Ay na.
Ha?
Ha?
and
Talo tayo. As edit ko lahat
Ay,
tanawan.
ano ba?
Ha?
Kanya kasano aja, yung natalo tayo.
Talo tayo nakapakita di rupa na.
Di agon kam tayo lata damdaman.
Tan
Sa akin nga, yung phone ko yung camera. Naka-PC ka ba? Tignan mo kung mada-download sa phone mo yung Perion webcam.
But showing the number of new alerts,
Yun, baka hindi mo din alam gawin.
flood warnings, evacuations, orders, or admin
Yung
message.
phone mo na lang mamaya gamitin mo pag
Critical information.
kahit hindi na
The
yung
dashboard display the evacuation status, available resources, and how many people are in your borough. You can easily open the evacuation map to find the nearest evacuation center.
Kanya dyan, ikaw kasi screenshot lang aja picture tayo, no?
The resource sections, you can check the supplies like food, hygiene, and sleep.
Oo nga. Hmm.
Barangay and saan na yung kwan?
O sige, Nico, go. Dati
Ano
outro
naman?
mo.
Awampay.
Bahala ka ta.
Wait lang.
Naka-split yung screen ko. Okay lang ano.
Madi ah.
Yun nga, isolom lang.
Hindi ka mo kanyang. Bahala
Solom
ka.
lang.
Nung napapakita mo, notify ay kwan dashboard muna. Hindi na, alam naman na nila malalagin yan.
Oh, diretso ka na doon.
And then, nung unang papakita mo, para sunod-sunod na. Dashboard muna. Tapos evacuation map. Oo, yun sinad mo. Tapos resource section masusunod lang. Diba? Kagari.
Saan yung volume nito?
Organizational kwan structure. Tapos sumunod. Yung kwan mapa. Dashboard. Ano to? Management system. Available sources. Tama na. Dito contact. Tapos yung news. Tapos dun sa one evacuation insight. So. Pati pa ko Give me outro.
Kaya mata niyo. Ipapa-explain din naman ulit sa atin to sa defense kaya okay lang. Basta may masubmit tayo na video ngayon. Yun yung pagkakalam ko.
Hindi nila papanoorin niya. Makupal niyang
Si
kwan.
Process kasi is nasa nasa Vietnam daw. Kaya
For your
kaya
time.
video muna.
Lobat aji ko. Bilmer. Lobat aji ring light.
Yung mataring light mo na lobat. Ano isusot nyo sa defense? Baka mag-white din ako. Mag-white din siguro ako. Isuot mo na defense, Nico.
Ha?
Isuot mo na defense.
Bro,